Hi everybody, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita. Today we're going to cook adobo. First, let's get our ingredients. Chicken, of course. I cleaned the chicken, cut him up into pieces. This is a whole chicken. If you don't want to chop a whole chicken, you can use any part of the chicken, thigh, breast, wings, whatever, so on and so forth. Okay, so washed it and drain it. Over here we have 2 cups of white vinegar. You can use apple cider if you want to. I like to use white vinegar because it's more intense. So right here I have 1 cup soy sauce. Today I'm using Filipino soy sauce, 1 cup. Okay, over here I have bay leaf and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This is optional. If you don't want to put tomatoes, you don't have to, because you already have this. But I like to put tomatoes in there because it adds more sourness. I chop up 5 tomatoes. Over here I have 1 large white onion cut into a big dice like that. 1 bulb of garlic. Now over here, ginger root, but when you chop it roughly like that, it's 1 cup. Okay, first we're gonna put about 3 tablespoons. As I said, this is already preheated. We're gonna put our ginger root in there like that. See, it sizzles. Okay, we're gonna saute that a minute. We're gonna add our garlic. This already need to put in there. Let's saute that for another maybe 1 minute. Okay, or until it releases its fragrance. That is good enough. All right, if you want to brown your garlic, you can do so. Okay, we're gonna saute this one until it gets brown first. I'm not gonna dump the meat in there because I don't want that water in there, you see. Okay, so we're going to saute. There you go. About 5 minutes, I would say. You don't want to cook it too much. Okay, you want to slightly brown the chicken. When it's slightly brown, we're going to put the bay leaf, right? This. All right, let's put that together, because what we want to do is we want to marry the flavor into our chicken while it's cooking. All right, go ahead and mix this. Mix it really good. Okay, mix it good. Let's cover that. Okay, this is how it looks like after we cover it for 20 minutes. Be sure that the meats are really saturated with the juice. Okay, and then let it settle down for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna show you how to remove the fat. So I take the fat out first, and then I'll put my onion and also my tomatoes. See the fat? I don't want that too much fat. Okay, so you can go ahead and, like I said, leave it there if you don't want to take him out. Okay, a lot of people don't want to take him out, but I do. See, like that. See, so now we're gonna put the tomato in here. Okay, the tomatoes. Oh yeah. Oh guys, if you have a smelly vision, okay, it's really smelling good. So now we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. Cook it uncovered, probably 30 minutes. Okay, so now it's not boiling, right? Because we put the onion and tomato in there. Okay guys, our meat, it's done. It took me 25 minutes. So now notice it's nice and thickened. Okay, nice and thickened. Okay, and that's it. Okay, now I have my rice over here, right? And then say I have my rice over here, and I would put this on the top of my rice, just like that. Okay, just like that. Guys, If you have a smell vision, oh my goodness, right now I'm drooling right now. It smells so good. It smells so good. I'm telling you, this is easy, breezy peasy, delicious. Okay, delicious. It's so easy and it's delicious. Anywho, I hope you guys like my recipe. Okay, and like I said, enjoy my recipe and bon appetit. Bye.